Good morning, kids. It's time to wake up. Open your eyes, take a deep breath, and start your day.
Hey kids, let's make your bed, fix your pillows, straighten your blankets, and keep your room neat. Hey kids, it's time to brush your teeth, clean them well, and keep your smile healthy and happy.
Hey kids, good morning. It's breakfast time. Eat well, stay healthy, and breakfast strong.
Hey kids, it's time for school. Learn new things, read, and make new friends.
Oh, here's the teacher, kind and always ready to guide you. Your learning is their top priority.
Hey, kids. It's lunchtime. Eat healthy, stay neat, and stay clean.
Hey kids, when you come home from school, take a nice bath. It makes you come fresh and happy.
Hey, kids. Sit nicely, read your notes, do your homework, learn new things, and get ready for tomorrow. Hey, kids. Wash your hands with soap to remove germs and stay clean and neat.
Hey kid, it's time for dinner now. Sit at the table, enjoy your food, and stay healthy.
Hey, kid. It's time to sleep now. Close your eyes, have sweet dreams, and good night.